Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to connect Alpha Futures to Tradovate. First, make sure you have an Alpha Futures evaluation or qualified account that uses Tradovate. Now log into your Tradovate account using the username and password provided in your Alpha Futures dashboard under account information. Before you begin trading, make sure you have signed the non-professional agreement. This step is required to receive real-time market data and trade through Tradovate, NinjaTrader, or TradingView. When prompted, make sure you select Simulation as the trading mode. Once you're logged in, click on Application Settings from the top right corner of the Tradovate platform. Then click on Add-ons. Here find TradingView in the list of available add-ons. Make sure the TradingView add-on shows included. If it is not active, click Activate. After that, open TradingView and sign in with your personal TradingView account. If you don't already have a TradingView account, create one before continuing. Please note that an active TradingView subscription may be required for certain features. Once logged in to TradingView, open any chart. Then click on the Trading Panel section at the bottom of the chart screen. Here select Tradovate from the list of supported brokers. Now click Connect. When the login window appears, select Demo if you're using a simulated Alpha Futures account. Then enter your Tradovate username and password. After that, click Connect to link TradingView with Tradovate. Wait a few moments while the connection is established. Once connected, your Tradovate account information should appear inside the trading panel. You can now place trades, manage positions, and monitor your Alpha Futures account directly from TradingView through the Tradovate integration. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.